हाँ जी बेटे, अपना आज का टॉपिक है नर्नेस्ट इक्वेशन। Nernst equation is very important for your exams for solving the different type of numericals। ठीक है, जो तुसी बेटा इलैक्ट्रोकैमिकल सीरीज़ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल्स ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੇਖਿਆ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਵੈਲਿਊਜ਼ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੇਖਿਆ, that are standard reduction potentials। standard reduction potentials इलैक्ट्रोकैमिकल सीरीज़ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल का मतलब है वैन द कंसनट्रेशन ऑफ योर इलैक्ट्रोलिटिक सोल्यूशन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर असी जिंक कॉपर सैल की गल करिए तो जिंक रॉड में असी डिप किया होंगे जिंक सल्फेट और कॉपर में डिप किया होंगे कॉपर सल्फेट सोल्यूशन। और आप एज्यूम करके चलते हैं कि इन्हों की कंसनट्रेशन की है 1 मोलर एंड द रिएक्शन इज बीइंग परफॉर्म्ड एट 298 केल्विन। These two condition, temperature 298 Kelvin and the concentration is 1 molar, are taken as standard conditions and the reduction potential is known as standard reduction potential। But in general, with the cells which we use are not at standard conditions। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਲਾਈਟਸ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕੀਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜੋ ਕੰਸਨਟ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ that is not equal to 1 molar। So for the electrolytic solutions in which the concentration is not 1 molar, नर्नेस्ट एक साइंटिस्ट का नेम है जिसने अपनी एक इक्वेशन डिराइव की फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग द रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल्स ऑफ दैट इलैक्ट्रोलाइट्स whose concentration is not 1 molar। तो असी डायरैक्टली उन्होंने सानू फॉर्मूला की दिता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि असी कोई एक सोल्यूशन है, कोई भी सोल्यूशन हो सकता है, लेट इट बी जिंक सल्फेट, और इस दे विच असी किस चीज़ की रॉड डिप की है जिंक की, और असी मान के चल रहे हैं कि असी इसका रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल कैलकुलेट करना है। मीन्स जिंक 2 पॉजिटिव प्लस 2 इलैक्ट्रॉन इट विल चेंज इनटू जिंक सॉलिड। हमेशा बेटा असी रिडक्शन की गल करनी है, ऑक्सीडेशन की गल नहीं करनी अगर असी सिंगल इलैक्ट्रोड बारे सोच रहे हैं, बिकॉज नर्नेस्ट गेव अस अ फॉर्मूला टू कैलकुलेट द रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ऑफ दैट इलैक्ट्रोड्स in which concentration of the electrolyte is not 1 molar। असी सिर्फ बेटा एक इलैक्ट्रोड की गल कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ हाफ सैल की गल कर रहे हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इक्वेशन, तो नर्नेस्ट ने जो इक्वेशन दी है तो its reduction potential will be equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT upon NF log of concentration of the right side upon the concentration of the left side। ध्यान नाल देखो बेटा, दिस ई नॉट रिप्रेजेंट द स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ऑफ दैट वेरी इलैक्ट्रोड। फॉर एग्जाम्पल जिवें असीं इत्थे जिंक की गल कर रहे हैं तो जिंक का जो स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल है अकॉर्डिंग टू द इलैक्ट्रोकैमिकल सीरीज़ दिस ई नॉट, ठीक है, ई नॉट नूं कई बारी इदां भी रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है या सिंपली ई नॉट, ठीक है। ई नॉट माइनस 2.303 आर की है गैस कांस्टेंट, टी मीन्स टेम्परेचर, एन मीन्स नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, एफ मीन्स फैराडेज कांस्टेंट, लॉग ऑफ दिस स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट मीन्स concentration of the right side divided by the concentration of the left side। And if we put the value of R is equal to 8.314 and temperature is 298 Kelvin. Number of electrons are different for different electrodes. Faraday's constant has value 96500 log of। हाँ जी बेटा, जो कोई भी मेटल रिड्यूस होके मेटल च कन्वर्ट हो रही है, एक्चुअली दिस इज मेटल ऑयन एंड दिस इज मेटल, तो जो मेटल दी कंसंट्रेशन है दैट इज ऑलवेज टेकन एज 1, ठीक है। सो वी कैन रिप्लेस दिस कंसंट्रेशन टर्म बाय 1 डिवाइडेड बाय कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ इट्स ऑयंस। सो व्हेन वी solve this very value, so this formula comes out to be E is equal to E naught minus 0.059 upon M. These terms, after the calculation, the result comes out to be 0.059 into log of 1 upon the concentration of metal ion. So this is the formula which is given by Nernst to calculate the reduction potential of any electrode whose concentration is not 1 molar. Clear बेटा? Next है, for example ਅਸੀਂ numerical solve करके देख लेंगे एक। You have given zinc rod is dipped, zinc rod is dipped in 0.1 molar solution of zinc sulfate. The salt is 95% dissociated at this dilution at 298 Kelvin. Calculate the electrode potential of zinc given that E naught for zinc is equal to minus 0.76 volt. So देखो, zinc rod is dipped, एक जिंक दी इलैक्ट्रोड ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ जिंक सल्फेट ਦੇ ਸੋਲੂਸ਼ਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਿਪ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਦੀ ਕੰਸੈਂਟ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਕੀ ਹੈ 0.1 ਮੋਲਰ and the salt is 95% dissociated at this dilution at 298 Kelvin. Calculate the electrode potential of zinc given that E naught, means we have given this value as minus 0.76 volt. So what does the term mean 95% dissociated? 95% dissociated means if the concentration of solution is 100 molar, then its dissociation is, its value is 95. So 95% of zinc ion, यहाँ तुसी लिख सकते हो concentration of zinc 2 positive when it is 95% dissociated. तो असी कितना कैलकुलेट करांगे 95 divided by 100% means 95 divided by 100 of its original concentration. So it will be equal to 95 upon 1000 is equal to 0.095 molar means ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੈੱਲ ਸੈਟਅਪ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਜ਼ਿੰਕ ਆਇਨ ਦੀ ਕੰਸੈਂਟ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਤੇ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਹੈ 0.095 molar. So we have to use this formula. So its electrode potential will be given as E naught. हाँ जी बेटा E naught तुसी इत्थे केड़ा लेना रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल तो इस चीज़ को ध्यान नाल ऑब्जर्व करो पहला पॉजिटिव है दैन न्यूट्रल मीनस ये तुहानू ऑलरेडी केड़ा पोटेंशियल गिवन है रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल सो इट इज़ इक्वल टू -0.76 दिस वैल्यू minus 0.059 divided by n number of electrons तो 2 पॉजिटिव तो 0 हो रहा है तो कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन एब्जॉर्ब कितने ने 2 सो n will be equal to 2 log of 1 upon जिंक आयन की कंसंट्रेशन कितनी है 0.095 so in this way we can calculate the electrode potential of any electrode other than standard conditions. So next is application of Nernst equation. ਹੁਣ Nernst ਦੀ equation ਦੀ help ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ electrode potential find out ਕੀਤਾ है ठीक है. Similarly Nernst also gave us a formula to calculate the cell potential. Cell potential means when two half cells are connected. For example, this is rough diagram of your any electrochemical cell. So this is the rough diagram of your any electrochemical cell. Again, let it be zinc sulfate. Here this is copper and this is copper sulfate. So according to the Nernst, if we want to calculate the cell potential of this cell when the concentration of electrolytes are not equal to 1 molar, then according to the Nernst formula for the E cell means cell potential, it will be equal to E naught cell. You have to cram the formula only ठीक है. एक किवें डिराइव होया है वो तुहाडे सिलेबस का पार्ट नहीं है. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 divided by n log of. ਹੁਣ देखो बेटा जे असी जिंक कॉपर सैल की गल कर रहे हैं then we know zinc undergoes oxidation and copper undergoes reduction ठीक है. According to the Nernst, E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon n log of oxidized species. तो ये oxidize कौन हो रहा है बेटा zinc. So concentration of zinc divided by concentration of reduced species like this. So this is the formula for calculating the cell potential of any electrochemical cell when the concentration of both electrolytes are not equal to 1 molar. If you want to use here plus sign, then this formula can also be written as E cell is equal to E naught cell plus 0.059 upon n. Here I use minus, here I am using plus log of reduced upon oxidized. If you want to use the sign minus, then you have to take the concentration of oxidized species in the numerator, and if you want to use plus sign, then the reduced species in the numerator. So this is the formula for calculating the cell potential of any cell. Similarly, next is your concentration cell. सिर्फ आप फॉर्मूलाज लिख रहे हैं बेटे, उस तो बाद आप इन्हां दे न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करांगे। देन समटाइम्स देयर इज अ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सेल, ठीक है, दैट सेल्स आर नोन एज कंसंट्रेशन सेल्स। So what do you mean by concentration cells? Concentration cells means again you have two solutions, ठीक है, but two solutions are of same nature. Means if this is zinc sulfate, this is also zinc sulfate. If this is copper sulfate, this is also copper sulfate. You can take any example. For example, this is zinc sulfate and this also zinc sulfate. And if these solutions are zinc sulfate, then the electrodes are definitely made up of zinc. So these type of cells are known as concentration cells. Means in short, concentration cells are those cells when both electrodes are made up of same metal, either of zinc, silver, copper, it can be any metal, but both electrodes are of same type, and their electrolyte solutions are also of same type but different concentrations. उन्हां दी concentration है जो वो different होगी. For example, if it is 0.1 molar, it can be equal to 0.01 molar. Means इन्हां दी concentration difference है, but इन्हां दी nature same है. Both are of zinc sulfate. Both electrodes are made up of zinc. ठीक है, these type of cells are known as concentration cells. For these types of cell, E cell is equal to 0. Sorry बेटा, E not cell. हाँ बेटा, for these type of cell, E not cell is equal to 0. Then your formula comes out to be E cell, or you simply say E is equal to 0.059 upon N log of, ठीक है, 0.059 upon N, because this value is 0 for concentration cells. So 0.059 upon N log of reduced upon oxidized, ठीक है, reduced means right side, oxidized means left side. Similarly on right side this, left side this, log of C2 upon C1. C2 upon C1. What does it mean C2 upon C1? C2 means concentration of the right side divided by concentration of the left side. For example, if we are talking about this example, then we can write it as E is equal to 0.059 upon N log of concentration of the right side, that is equal to 0.1, concentration of the left side 0.01. So this is the Nernst equation for calculating the cell potential of concentration cells. So what are concentration cells? The cells in which both electrodes are of same metal and their electrolytes are of same nature, but their concentrations are different. और concentration are different दे विच second condition की है, concentration of the right side is more than that of the left side. Then we use this formula for calculating the cell potential. You can write here E cell also. ठीक है, इस सेल का जो सेल पोटेंशियल है दैट कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड बाय यूजिंग दिस फार्मूला. ठीक है, सिमिलरली विद द हेल्प ऑफ नर्नेस्ट इक्वेशन we can also calculate the equilibrium constant. So equilibrium constant ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਬੇਟਾ ਸਿਰਫ ਔਰ ਸਿਰਫ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਹੈ, directly formula for equilibrium E naught cell is equal to 0.059 upon n log of Kc। ਹੁਣ देखो इत्थे E नॉट सैल है, E सैल नहीं है, बिकॉज फॉर ਜਦੋਂ भी कोई सैल फॉर एग्जाम्पल जिंक कॉपर सैल इक्विलिब्रियम स्टेट ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਏਗਾ, then there will be the you can say reduction potential of both electrodes will be same। for example देखो in the previous lecture we have talked EMF of the cell is calculated as E right minus E left। This EMF of the cell is known as E naught cell, means when the cell is at standard conditions, but when the reaction is in equilibrium state, equilibrium state ਦਾ मतलब ਕੀ है, reduction potential of right side as well as left side are equal, means अगर इस दी वैल्यू 0.1 है तो इस दी वैल्यू भी 0.1 ही होएगी, so their minus will be 0। so for this type of cell E cell is taken as 0। so देखो तुसी इदां इनू समझो, E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon n log of ਆਪਾਂ क्या सी oxidized upon reduced। ठीक है, A सी नर्नेस इक्वेशन के अकॉर्डिंग, बट when the reaction is at equilibrium state then this term will be 0। so 0 is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon n log of oxidized upon reduced। ठीक है, so we can shift this whole value towards this side। here it is minus, when we will shift on this side it will become positive। so E naught cell is equal to 0.059 upon n log of, and when the reaction is at equilibrium the ratio of these two concentration is represented by Kc। what does it mean? this Kc denotes equilibrium constant। so this very equation it is important for your 1 mark question। what is the relationship between the E naught cell and equilibrium constant, or we can solve the value of Kc by using this formula। ठीक है, you have to cram only this formula, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੋਈ ਕੰਸਰਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖਣਾ, ਸਿਰਫ ਇਸ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਹੈ। E naught cell is equal to 0.059 upon n into log of Kc। similarly one more formula which is important for your exams, what is the relationship between E naught cell and your Gibbs free energy। so next formula is a relationship between E naught cell and Gibbs free energy। Gibbs free energy, or you can say maximum work that can be obtained from the cell। so next formula you have to use for solving the numerical is relationship between E naught cell and Gibbs free energy। Gibbs free energy means the maximum amount of work that can be done using any electrochemical cell। so what is the relationship? delta G, or you can say Gibbs free energy is equal to minus n F E naught cell। so this relationship is again very important for your different type of numericals। here n denotes the number of electrons exchanged F means Faraday's constant, so N is number of electrons exchanged. ठीक है, F means Faraday's constant whose value is given as 96500 coulomb, and E naught cell we can calculate using the different data according to the numerical. So today's lecture is mainly concerned with different type of formulas which are very useful for solving the numericals. So you have to cram all these formulas. So first formula according to the Nernst is E electrode potential, है ना, electrode potential of any electrode. In general we can represent it as Mn positive upon M is equal to E naught Mn positive upon M minus 0.059 upon N log of 1 upon the concentration of its oxidized state. ठीक है, की फार्मूला है अगर असी सिंगल इलैक्ट्रोड की गल कर रहे हैं तो उसका रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल यू कैन राइट इट इन अ सिंपल वे एज, अगर तुम ये याद करना टफ लग रहा है दैन E इज इक्वल टू E नॉट माइनस 0.059 अपॉन N log of 1 upon concentration of oxidized species, or you can say in its oxidation state. So this is a formula when we are talking about single electrode. This is the first formula. Second, if we are talking about the EMF of the cell, then E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon N log of concentration of oxidized species divided by reduced species. ठीक है, और this formula can also be written as E cell is equal to E naught cell plus 0.059 upon N log of concentration of reduced species divided by oxidized species. ठीक है, this is the same formula. Next, third formula for concentration cell. So for concentration cell, E cell is equal to 0.059 upon N log of C2 upon C1. C2 means concentration of right side divided by concentration of left side. This is your third formula. Next is your, what is the relationship between E naught cell and your equilibrium constant? That is equal to E naught cell is equal to 0.059 upon N log of Kc. So this is your fourth formula. And fifth is, what is the relationship between Gibbs free energy, or you can say maximum amount of work, that is given as delta G is equal to minus NF E naught cell. E naught cell लिया ना, हाँ जी. So this is the formulas which you have to cram for solving the different types of numerical, and for your exam this formula, mainly this second formula is वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट, ठीक है। दिस एंड समटाइम क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड रिलेटेड टू this formula. What is the relationship between the Gibbs free energy and E naught of cell? ठीक है। So in the next lecture we will discuss only numericals related to all these formulas, ठीक है। Okay बेटा, thank you.